Hello, good day and welcome to Henzi tutorial. So today we're going to be talking about how can you copy text that seem to be a bit problematic. So probably you have a website where you're trying to copy the text by pressing and holding it, but it does not seem to be working. So in today's video, I will show you precisely how this can be done without much of an issue. So the first thing you need to do is there's this link you would need to copy. So this is the link here, this particular one. I'm going to drop in the description of this video. If you're making use of Chrome, just copy this or write this Chrome colon slash slash flag slash hash enable hyphen reader hyphen mode. So the first thing you do is you come over here and then you paste that in your browser URL. You paste this in your browser URL. So once you do this, you click on go and this page is going to pop out. So when you come to this page, in this place you're going to search for reader mode. You can see it has already come out here. So change this default to always and then click relaunch. So this will most likely restart your Chrome browser. So once your Chrome browser is restarted, I'll give an example of a particular page. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing that you would want to do is I'll show you a particular page I tried copying earlier. Gave me a bit of an issue. So no, not this one. Just give me a moment. Okay, well, so if you try copying something from a page and it refuses, now this is not the page. I can't really get it out right now. Okay, let me search here. I know where to do that. So use global this. Yeah, so that's the page. So if you try copying something and it's refusing, you can see this refuses to copy. So any text at all you try to copy that is giving you much of an issue, what you're simply going to do is you come over here and then wow, okay, something seems not right. We're going to post our link again, reader mode, and then try that again. So it's activated for that. So the next thing we will do is let's close our browser and reopen our browser again. So you see this stuff up here that looks like a phone. You click on it, and once you click on this will give you access to reader mode. This is how you can activate reader mode. So this even takes away things like ads. You just have full access to what it is that you want to copy without issues. So this is what I'll simply do. I'll come here, click, select all, and then I can go over to select all, and so copy appears at the top there. I click on copy and it's copied to my clipboard, and then I go over to maybe Word document, WhatsApp, whatever it is I want to post it and post it. Well, you should take note that sometimes when you copy, you might not, if the text is really pretty long, it might only copy just a part of it. So if that happens in your case, what you're simply going to do is you need to know precisely where what you copied actually stopped. So maybe what I copied probably could have stopped at okay, here I come. So I'll need to come back from this okay, where I come, and then you know select and then move downward. So another way, if the text is pretty long, just keep dragging it down and then scrolling and keep dragging down. But however, if the text is so long, what you can simply do is you can come over here and click in find in page. So you click find in page and then you search and you say, okay, let's imagine it's okay, come over. So if you just search out the particular text that it is that you want, and then from there you can then copy from that point and then paste it back into your Word document for you to have a complete file. So the purpose of this tutorial is just to teach you precisely how you can put um, a website into reader mode and have access to copy and then maybe summarize or something or do something to it. So thank you very much for watching. If you've never subscribed to my video, please do so, and we would love to see you in our next video. Thank you.